Check out this color change transformation of a white Ford Bronco into a stunning pistachio green. At Splashes, we combine creativity and experience to achieve the best results. But hold on, let's take a step back to give you a clearer understanding of the color change wrap process. We understand that a flawless wrap starts with a pristine canvas. So we begin our work with a thorough exterior cleaning, ensuring a perfect surface that's prepared to embrace its new identity. Each piece is meticulously placed on the vehicle's surface, leaving no bubbles behind. Our technicians are dedicated to achieving the highest standards, guaranteeing that every curve and contour is wrapped to perfection. This attention to detail ensures a seamless finish that not only looks good, but also contributes to the longevity of the wrap. And there you have it. At Splashes, we are passionate about helping our customers bring their visions to life. Contact us today and let us help you create a vehicle that is as unique as you are.